Hello everyone, welcome back to the winter challenge. For the past few days it's been snowing and then cold, but today it's warmed up nicely, so we're out here flying again, but there is a little bit of snow left on the ground. So we're at the same park that we were at a couple days ago, but in the spot just next to the spot we flew a couple days ago. So today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different with my Betaflight settings. There's a lot of settings in Betaflight that like mess with the PIDs dynamically and then also work to make your quad feel more responsive. So I've turned all that off just to see what happens. So what I've turned off, first of all, feed forward is at 0, D-min is off, I-term relax is off, and throttle boost is off. I've left all the filtering stock and I still have RC smoothing on. So we're gonna see what happens. So if you guys are liking these videos, make sure that you like them. And I know that a lot of you who are watching this are not subscribed, so please get subscribed if you're enjoying this content, and thanks for watching. Not so smart now, are we?